Do you love the sound of earning money by selling books, but don't want to waste your time doing any of that boring stuff like writing? Or maybe you do want to write, but you're just not very good at it yet. Well, you're in luck! No Content Publishing is here to save you! And today on Lulu University, we're going to learn what no content publishing is, how you go about publishing low or no content books, and even give you some ideas of things you could start selling today. Stick around. No content publishing is creating and selling any kind of notebook, planner, or journal with blank or simple templated pages. So the time investment can be very little because you're making one interior file that you can use with any covers imaginable. And if you use the wonder of print-on-demand technology, you never have to worry about shipping or sourcing inventory. Now that you have an idea of what no content publishing is, let's talk about how to do it. First, you have to figure out your target audience. So anytime you're creating a book, doing research on your audience and who will buy that book is always a hugely important part of any book marketing strategy. And no content publishing is no different. So you'll want to choose your niche group that you will be marketing to. So maybe you're making a dream journal for kids or a bar mitzvah guest book, but figuring this out early can help you decide on the interior design and cover design and will help guide you through the rest of your marketing decisions. Up next is choosing your interior file. So of course we're talking about low and no content publishing here, so it doesn't have to be crazy, but some of the most popular kinds of interiors for low and no content publishing are blank pages, dot grids, line pages, or even a simple planner layout could work as well. So this is a great way to dip your toe into publishing because once you have the interior files, they can work for multiple different kinds of books. A great place to start, of course, is lulucom. So on our guides and templates page, we have a ton of free downloads that you can use for the interior of your low or no content publishing project. And those include blank, lined, graph, and dot interiors for notebooks, or daily, weekly, and monthly planner interiors, and more. Up next, we gotta cover this thing. So even if you don't have a shred of artistic ability in your body, creating a cover for your no content project is still a piece of cake. So of course you can hire a professional cover designer, and that's always a good route to go. But what if you want to make it yourself? Enter Canva. Canva has a ton of free design templates to choose from, all of which can be completely customized to fit your project. And what's even better is that you can access Canva through Lulu's Canva Cover Creator and have your book cover automatically sized to the book you're creating. Next, you'll want to choose where to publish your book. Obviously, Lulu is an amazing choice for this with our free templates and Canva Cover Creator. Lulu also provides our print-on-demand service through the e-commerce platform Shopify. So using Shopify is a great way to reach a wider audience and get more profit from each sale. And what's also great about Shopify is that it integrates with Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, Walmart, and eBay. So the sky's the limit. Now let's go through a few ideas to explore all the ways you can leverage no or low content publishing. Journals and notebooks, lined and blank sketchbooks, music tabs, meditation, travel, prayer journals, dream journals, writing prompts, and diaries. Logbooks like food logs or exercise logs, skincare logs, any kind of logs. Monthly or weekly planners, activity and coloring books, guest books, recipe books, and more. Remember, the key to success with no content publishing, as with most publishing, is knowing your audience and doing your research and honing in on exactly who your book is for and then catering to that audience. So if you've had success with no or low content publishing, let us know in the comments below. Hit like, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.